Hello everyone, I'm Neha and I'm back with a new how to tutorial. So today I'm excited to share with you guys that how to merge your two Facebook pages. So before we proceed ahead with the actual process of merging two pages, it's important to ensure that what exactly is required to keep yourself eligible for merging the pages. So there are three requirements that are shared by Facebook, which is first is you should be the admin of both the pages. Secondly, your both pages should have similar names and they should represent the same thing. Thirdly, if it is a Facebook page for local business, they should have the same physical location, right? So apart from that, in case if you're merging Facebook pages for your clients, so you should communicate that anything which is posted on the page that you want to merge, for example photos, reviews, ratings, username, that all will be deleted from the page that you intend to merge, and you'll not be able to unmerge it ever in future. So make sure, if even if you're doing it for yourself or for your clients, make sure this is you know this fact, so that you don't regret after that, right? So let's proceed ahead with the merging process. There is an URL which is provided by Facebook to merge your pages, facebook.com/pages/merge, and then you'll come on this page. So make sure you are logged in, only then you'll be able to see it, otherwise it will ask you for login. Once you click on this page, you'll see a drop down, rather two drop downs of selecting your pages, right? So I want to merge these two pages, so I'll select this one and then this one. These are the dummy pages that I have created just for the tutorial purpose. So I'm gonna click on continue. So the next step, Facebook will ask me, or Facebook will even ask you that which page you want to keep. Select page you want to keep. The page you select will have combined likes and check-ins from both merged pages. That's what I told you, that in case you're if one page is having 500 likes and the other page is having, for example, 100 likes, so it will the number of likes is going to be merged into one page, so eventually it will have 600 likes, right? But since my pages are not having any likes, I won't be able to show them up, but it is definitely going to reflect it in your case if your both pages having some sort of likes, right? So I'll select that which page I would like to keep. So I want to keep this page, and then I'll click on keep page. So it will show me a notification as in which page I would like to keep and which duplicate page I would like to merge with the existing one or the original one, right? So I'll click on request merge and I'm done. So in case you are not able to fulfill the requirements of Facebook, then definitely you might get some error out here and you won't be able to merge your pages. But this is how you can easily merge your two pages that represent the same thing. So that's all in this tutorial. In case if you have any questions, please feel free to post them in comment sections below, and I would love to answer them as always.